Starting a career in direct selling with an MBA or BBA degree can provide you with a strong foundation for success. Here are 5 important points to consider. Number 1. Understand the direct selling industry. Before diving into a career in direct selling, it's crucial to gain a deep understanding of the industry. Direct selling involves marketing and selling products or services directly to consumers outside of a traditional retail setting. Research the different companies, products, compensation plans, and legal regulations that govern direct selling in your region. Understanding the nuances of this industry will be essential for your success. Number 2. Choose the right university. Not all direct selling companies are the same. Some may focus on health and wellness products, while others specialize in cosmetics, fashion, or other niches. Research and choose a company that aligns with your interests and values. Look for a reputable company with a strong track record, good compensation plans, and a supportive training and mentorship program. Number 3. Leverage your business education. Your MBA or BBA degree can be a valuable asset in direct selling. Use the business knowledge and skills you've acquired to analyze markets, develop sales strategies, manage finances, and make data-driven decisions. Your educational background can help you stand out and excel in the competitive world of direct selling. Number 4. Build a strong network. Direct selling relies heavily on building and maintaining a strong network of customers and distributors. Utilize your networking skills learned during your degree program to connect with potential customers and recruit new team members if applicable. Cultivate relationships, provide excellent customer service, and focus on long-term customer retention. Number 5. Continuous learning and self-development. Direct selling is a dynamic industry that requires continuous learning and self-improvement. Stay updated on industry trends, sales techniques, and product knowledge. Attend company-sponsored training sessions, workshops, and conferences to enhance your skills. Also, seek personal development.